Hiya, and thank you for taking the time to actually sit and watch this video. This video is going to be of help to you if you need help promoting your network marketing business. It might be that you're involved in like an opportunity where you have to get people to obviously look at what you're doing, and I'm going to talk about obviously what I do to actually get eyes, if you like, on the prize. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about some of the methods that I use to actually get people looking at my business, the business that I'm involved with, and it's a way that you can do it every single day. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what I'm doing, I'll leave a link below to a free business where you can actually click and register for free, and you can actually start if you want right away. And if you're looking for like a great, if you like, simple opportunity, something that you can actually do off the bat, and it might be that you haven't got a lot of money to invest, then perhaps check out the link below. Now, what I do, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm actually involved in sales and marketing. I earn quite good money, basically promoting home improvement companies. Now, I'm out and about every single day, so I'm able to obviously talk to people, communicate with people, and I'm good at talking to people. But obviously, that's not for everybody. Not everybody can actually, if you like, go up to people in the street, talk to people. Not everyone's like that, yeah. So I'm going to talk about the methods that I use, which bring me in leads daily to my business, and it's so simple. The only reason people are not, if you like, achieving their goals in my business is because they're not actually doing what they need to do, and that is to promote. Yeah, you've got to promote. Yeah, so this is what I do. Now I'm going to start off with the first thing that I do, which I do every single day. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. I actually use cards, drop cards. People call them drop cards. I leave them everywhere. Yeah, and this is an example of what I actually use. Yeah, my 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 drop cards, yeah, go to a domain name which I've actually purchased from 123reg, and all I've done is I've diverted that website to my lead capture page. Now, everybody needs to have a lead capture page, yeah? Now, with my business, I'm kind of on the fence with this a little bit because I sometimes change where I send my link to. You can, if you want, send your link in my business. You can, if you want, send your link directly to your um, uh, um, Best Easy Work um, website. Yeah, in my business, if you join, you basically everyone who joins gets a website which then they can promote, and it's up to you how you do it. Whether you promote your main um, company website, which people can actually go and view the opportunity, if you like, in its entirety, you can understand it all, or you can send your domain name to a lead capture page. And I kind of opt between the two. I often go on my 123reg, and I'll change the direction of the of my site of my domain name, because it's some people when they go to a business opportunity page. Imagine like you went to my link now, and you click the link below, and you see it was a lead capture page. So I'm obviously getting your details and capturing your details to then be able to market to you at a later date. Now, the good thing with the company that I'm in is you can actually do a lead capture page through them where they send a series of follow up emails re promoting your business with your link. And that's up to you if you decide to do it what you think's best for you. But for me, I kind of sometimes opt between the two. I think that sometimes people just want to leave, people just want to click a link and obviously find out what business is about without leaving their details. And if I'm honest about it, that's how I joined. I saw a link online. It took me straight to their company website, and I read it, and I thought, well, I can do this, and I signed up right away. Yeah, so as a free member, yeah, with all these programs, a lot of these programs, you can earn more out of them if you um, decide to upgrade and go through the different levels. I won't go into that. That's something for people to decide. But with my program, you can start earning £25. Even on, as long as a person joins as a paid member, you can start earning money right away anyway. So it's up to you what you do. I was on the fence for a while about whether to obviously upgrade or not, but it's something that you need to decide. Now, so you've got this business, this business that you're involved with, this whatever it is, and you need people to look at it, right? Well, what are you doing to get people to look at your opportunity? Yeah, so many people don't succeed at network marketing, but it's usually when you go into the nitty gritty and find out why, it's because they're not promoting their business. I promote my business, I promote my website wherever I go. Yeah, when I go out to work, if I get on a train, if I go up London, if I'm in my van, I've got a sign on my van. You've got to get people. The biggest earners in my company, the company that I work for, are the people that get most people to look at their website. Yeah, the more people that see, the more people that think, okay, this might be for me, or oh, I don't want to do that, or yes, I can do that, or I could do that for an hour a day. It's all about getting people to look at this site, your domain, your company website, and if you're not that person that can do that, then don't join, because you'd be wasting your time. Yeah. Other things that I do is I use shop window ads. The company that I work for, I'm a member of. They've got postcards that you can download, which you can you can actually put in shop windows, and they're very eye catching, and they will get people to look and go to your site. Now, if you're using offline methods like this, then you need to have your domain name, because when people join the program I'm in, one of the programs that I'm in, you get like a long link. It's like such and such, and it'll have numbers, and it'll have your name and your ID, and people ain't going to type that in. So you need to go to 123reg or GoDaddy or any of these sites that provide a domain name, and just forward your website of your company's page to that domain name. So now, if you go on my site, dumpyourboss.co.uk, that will take you straight to, I think I've got it on a lead capture page at the minute, or it might go straight to my main website. I honestly can't remember what I've done. But it doesn't matter, because it's numbers, yeah? Getting people to look, succeeding in any network is all about numbers, yeah? I've been in good networks, I've been in bad networks, but they're all the same. The more people that you get to look at your site, the more people will potentially see the opportunity for what it is, and if they're that way inclined, they will join, yeah? Now, shop window ads, they are brilliant, yeah? I get loads of inquiries from shop window ads, yeah? So people go, they'll see an ad in the window. What's that about? dumpyourboss.co.uk. They go to my company's main page and they decide it's for them or it's not, yeah? But you've got to put the ad in the window, yeah? You've got to speculate, yeah? I'll go to a shop, and if say it's like 50p a week or whatever, or it might be £1 a week. I'll stick it in there. I'll pay a tenner, and I'll stick it in there for 10 weeks, because it's an investment, yeah? Right? That's one. That's obviously a paid way, if you like. The other thing that I use, which I've had success with, is quick ads. I've got like You go to quick ads, and then basically you enter, like, go to business opportunity section, enter, do you want to earn an extra income? Get started for free in my business. Simple to operate. And then obviously, please click here to find out more. And then you leave a link to your lead capture page or your main company website recruitment page. Yeah, shop window ads. But for me, this is what I use all the time. I know I keep going back to this, but this really is what I do. Yeah, right. So you just all the time, every day when I'm out and about. Yeah, I'm giving these cards out. I actually work for my main job at the moment is I work for a block paving company. I get leads for a great company down in Essex that do block paving, and I earn great money. I earn very, very good money for 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 the hours that I do. But I work hard when I'm there, and I get a lot of I work stands, promotional stands, and I get people's details. And if my governor goes round there or his brother goes round and they sell the drive, I get 6%. I get 6% across the board, and I can earn. I've had deals sell for £27,000. I've had one deal before earn me £1,500, right? But while I'm doing that, and I'm earning, and I'm doing really well at it, and I don't need to do this, but I do this alongside. If I talk to a person and they say to me, "Oh, no, no, mate, I'm not interested in block paving, or my block paving's done," I say, "No problem, mate. Can I just give you this? What's that about?" "Oh, it's just something I do from home. Something me and my wife do." "Oh, yeah, I'll take it." Or they might say, "Oh, what's it about working from home?" I say, and they might turn around and say, "Oh, no, I've got a job. I'm happy in my job." And I say, "Oh, that's okay. But can I just give it to you? If you know anyone who's over 18 looking for work, can you just pass it on for me?" So what? He might take it and not do nothing with it. He might take it and he just might give it to his son who's out of work. Yeah? And this is what you're doing. You're sowing the seeds of opportunity. Yeah? My job, like I say, I earn, for what I do, my job, I can work 2 days a week and I can earn good money at it. I could work 5 days a week, but the guy I work for, they can't cover all the leads anyway. So what's the point in me killing myself? But what I'm getting at is with this is that with this you're building a network. You're building a you're building something potentially that could be very big. I know in my job, because I was chatting to my wife about it. My wife helps me with this. She goes out in a post office. She might be in a post office. She might go in the bank. She'll just leave them on the side. Because she ain't one for talking to people. She does when she's at work, but she's not big on... She's not like me. She couldn't talk to people cold in the street. That's just not hers, yeah? But she can leave a card somewhere. If she goes to a nursery group, or she might go to a ball pit, and there's all mums sitting down with their kids, she'll leave 2 or 3 on the table, yeah? Because these are the people. There's loads of people looking for opportunity. Who do you know doesn't want to earn more money? Who do you know doesn't need more money? Yeah? People need money. People are always looking for ways. I've been looking for the Holy Grail all my life. Yeah? Looking for the way that golden goose, and I've done businesses, I'm in other businesses where I perhaps might earn only £100 a month, or I might earn £200 a month out of it. Yeah? But it's money. It's all money. People... You've got to get in the right mindset. You've got to get in the mindset. My son said to me the other day, he went, "Dad," "when you've got 50," because he knows how good I am at getting leads for my main job. And he said to me the other day, he went, "Dad," he said, when you get 40, when you're on 15 leads, he said, leave. He said, don't stay there till late. Just leave at 4 o'clock, right? But I went out, when did I work? I only worked one day this week. I worked Saturday, and I worked a big stand in Basildon Town Centre, and I got there at 9, And I didn't leave till 6:15. I could have left at 4, I could have left at 3 o'clock, but I stayed there till 6:15. And you know why? Because I was getting leads. And I know that any one of them leads can turn into the diamond that I'm looking for. Yeah, I got 21 leads Saturday. Yeah, 21 names and numbers. Half of them probably won't even answer the phone. It don't matter. It's a numbers game. It's the same with this. If you talk to enough people and you share what you're doing with enough people, right, some people will look. I know that some people who are watching this video will look. And if you decide to look at my website, which is down below, I know that you are potentially the right person. Because you're obviously open-minded. Some people, I've got people in my family, and I'm honest about it. People say to me, oh, you should tell everyone you know, and I get that. But there's some people in my family who I would just not bother showing this to, because I know what they'll say. They're just not that way. They're just not open to the possibilities. Yeah, they're not open to the possibilities. Yeah, because they're just not that way. They're just not that way inclined. I know people who could do my job, but when I say to them, they say to me, oh, what is it, is it commission only? And I say, yeah, it's commission only. Well, I get £20 a day for going there, and I get £30 if people get a quote for a drive and they don't buy. But I'm not in it for that. My governor could turn around and say to me, look, I'll take away all your expenses, I'll take away everything that I give you, but I'll just pay you 8%. I won't pay you no lead money, no expenses. And I'd jump at it, because I know I'm motivated and I know I'm going to get leads. Yeah? It's tomorrow's Wednesday. I'm going to go to market tomorrow. I'll do a market tomorrow, and if I don't come home with 15 names, I'll have the hump. Yeah? Or I'll think, why I should have got more. But it don't work like that. You've just got it's numbers. Numbers, yeah? I spoke about it in other videos with my dad years ago when I was young. And, I never had a lot of confidence when I was young. I even had a bit of a stutter. I was the sort of person I don't know why, I had two older brothers, but and my dad used to say to me when I used to go out nightclubbing, in the end, once I started asking girls, there was no holding me back, because I knew that the more girls that I asked to dance, the more girls I asked if I could have their number, the more likely it is I'm going to get a yes. Yeah? There's a great book, which I've read, called Go for No. Yeah? And if you go for no 100 times a day in your business opportunity, you'll succeed. But if you're not going for no, you might as well not join. Yeah? But there's different ways of going for no. Drop cards, shop window ads, magnetic car signs, leaving business cards wherever you go, emails. If you've got email lists, I've got like 85,000 people on my email list now. So perhaps every week, fortnight, I might send them an email about my main business. Or I might send them one about another business. Yeah, but if you ain't sowing the seed, then it ain't going to work for you. Yeah. But I'd love to have you in my team. I do videos about obviously how you can get more people in your team. Videos like this. But yeah, check out the link below. If you've got an hour a day, don't waste it watching bloody Netflix or watching a load of crap on TikTok. Yeah, you could be building a business. You could be building a massive business. Yeah. Thanks for your time. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate your view. And like I say, if you subscribe or if you think about joining, I'll help you in every way I can. Thank you.